Okay guys, we are here in Guarne today. As you can see, that's the bus coming out of the town, Guarne. So let's talk about what's going on in the world right now and all of that good stuff. We all love to travel and everything, so let's see what we can do here in terms of our travel time. So I'm going to show you the town while I walk around, and I'm going to talk to you about Colombia. Why should you come to Colombia? Why should you come and spend one of your vacation times here? So I'm going to show you as we walk around so you can see what life is like here in sunny, beautiful Colombia. We are here in Guarne. This is a town located in the Andes Mountains of South America in the country of Colombia. For those of you who are not familiar with Colombia, this is a small typical town. Here, this town is about 35 minutes away from the city of Medellin, the second largest and second most important city in all of Colombia. And this state is called Antioquia. This state is called Antioquia. And there is even an old Roman province by the name of Antioquia. That's why this state is called like that, but I don't remember what the exact name of that Roman state was. But well, look, I'll look it up and then I'll leave it down in the description or on the screen here when I do the video editing. So hey, you know, it's fun to come here to Colombia to walk around and see different places. You got the beaches. So let's talk about the reasons why you should come to Colombia. You got beautiful beaches on the Caribbean Atlantic coast of Colombia. You got places like Santa Marta, Cartagena, Toluca, Beñas, Isla Fuerte. I mean, there are so many places you can come to here in Colombia in terms of just that. Cartagena is a very popular, famous destination by Canadians on the cruise lines. Of course, right now there are no cruise lines happening, but Cartagena is that popular place for Canadians and Americans on those cruise lines that go around the Caribbean and all of that good stuff, you know. The weather is very nice here in Antioquia, especially if you're down in the Medellin area or Envigado or Sabaneta. If you like nice warm weather because you have problems with your joints and everything, arthritis, it's very warm down there, warmer than it is up here. We're on a higher elevation here in Guarne in terms of above sea level. I mean, there are so many beautiful towns in Colombia. Soon I will be going to Cali, Popayán, Pasto, Buga, Buenaventura. That's Pacific. That's South Colombia. And we're walking right down towards the town square. Some of you have already seen previous videos about this town on this channel, but today I'm just talking about why should you come to Colombia. You got the island of San Andres, which is a popular tourist destination among Colombians. So San Andres, La Isla, and Providencia, the other island, which is very virgin. So if you want to visit those places, you come to Colombia on a flight, and then from out of Cartagena or out of Bogota or even Medellin, and I don't know about Cali, you can take a flight there as soon as those routes are open and all that good stuff. You have Popayán, beautiful cities like Popayán, Boyacá, Villavicencio, Valledupar, Barranquilla. You got San Gil as well. You got places like the Totocoa Desert. You got the Valle de Chicamocha, which is very nice. Valle de Chicamocha near Bucaramanga. You've got Vichada, the state of Vichada, where you can go and have a really nice off-road experience if you can rent a 4x4, like a rally type situation. I have some friends that have done that in the state of Vichada. What else can I tell you? I mean, the weather, you got different various climates here in Colombia. Various climates. If you want really nice hot weather and beaches and beautiful beaches and everything, you go to Cartagena or Santa Marta. Parque Tayrona, the Tayrona Park. If you want to explore the beautiful mountains and beautiful nature and hiking and everything, you go to La Sierra Nevada. La Sierra Nevada. That's a very nice place to go to, Sierra Nevada. Or you can go to Parque Nevado del Ruiz, the Ruiz Nevada, El Nevado del Ruiz, and hike up there and everything, very high up. It's right after Manizales. Or you can go to Pereira, and they got some nice parks there. Parque del Café, the coffee park, because that zone is very famous for coffee plantations and the different coffee they make, and even all the kinds of sweets and desserts they make based on coffee. I was there a long time ago, back in 2000, or it was in 2001, I don't remember. And very nice to go out there. And they got Panaca. That park is about animals and everything, different animals and all that, Panaca. Then you got Valle de Cocorra, near Salento. Salento is a small touristy town near Armenia, near Pereira. And Pereira's very warm weather there. And then you got Aguadas, another nice popular town amongst Risaralda and Antioqueños, Risaraldeños and everything. So I recommend you check those places out. Colombia, if you want some colder weather, you go to Bogota, or you go to that area near Bogota, because that area is higher, the savannah there in Bogota. It's not hot, it's not even warm, it's just cool to cold. And you could go to the Sumapaz, the area Páramo de Sumapaz, near Bogota, 1 hour away, on the road to Ibagué, another city in Colombia, beautiful city to visit. I haven't been there, but I've heard beautiful things about Ibagué. So Ibagué para arriba, Ibagué para abajo. It's like I was being lazy going up and I was lazy going down. It's a Colombian joke. You have to understand the language and the play of words here. Ibagué para arriba, because you say bagué. It's like the channel I have in Spanish is called Vagando Parejo. Vagando Parejo means like being just lazy up and down and all around, just moseying around. So you got Ibagué, you got other places. I don't know those places. I know Bogota, but I don't know Ibagué. So you got Sumapaz and all of that. El Páramo de Sumapaz. A lot of beautiful places to visit in Colombia. Really hot weather, cold weather. Cali's hot. You could go to Pasto or Popayán. I haven't been there, but November, late November and early December, I will be in those places. And then those videos will be uploaded when the time comes. And I'll be in Cali, and I'll be showing you those beautiful places. So stay tuned for those places about Cali, Rio San Cipriano, between Cali and Buenaventura. And so many other places. Popayán, Buga, Palmira, down in Valle del Cauca. That state is called Valle del Cauca, and that's where I'll be going. And in late December and all of January, I'll be traveling to Tayrona Park. I'll be traveling to Isla Fuerte. So you guys stay tuned for those things in the upcoming months. Just know that they'll be up in those times. And I was telling you, I got a Spanish channel for travel and adventure called Vagando Parejo por Edwin Toro. In case you want to practice your Spanish and everything in terms of just listening and improving that. And there's even a channel that I have where I teach English through Spanish with the more basic elementary type topics, since I am an English language teacher. I have been for 22 years. So if you want to learn some survival Spanish before coming to Colombia or any Latin American country where they speak Spanish, I recommend you go to English Your Way by Edwin Toro. Colombia is beautiful. I mean, the people are very nice. You got a lot of different diversity of people and cultures within Colombia. The language is the same, but the cultures do change from region to region a lot, especially if you go to South Colombia or Western Colombia or Northern Colombia. The cultures do change. Los costeños are different from paisas, the paisas and the antioqueños, and very different from the people from Santander and Norte de Santander, and very different. The cultures are very different in terms of the people in South Colombia, like Cali, Pasto, Buenaventura, and Chocó, and everything, those other states. So I recommend that you do those things and check out those places. And the videos I'll be uploading, I'll be showing you some of those places myself, personally, you know, when I go there. So this year, November and December and January, I'll be doing a lot of traveling because it's good for all of us. And those places are on my bucket list. So stay tuned for more stuff. If you want to see other places I visited here in Colombia, like Guatapé, El Peñol, La Ceja, El Retiro, Rio Negro, Envigado, and Medellin, and Copacabana, the videos are on my channel, on this channel, on Sweet Wanderings by Edwin Toro. So guys, I'll let you go, have fun, until we talk again, until we meet again. And maybe we'll meet on these travels in the future. And that's a church here, and bye-bye, sayonara, ciao, namaste, hasta la vista, ciao, au revoir, adieu.